Good morning, YouTube modeling community. Welcome back to the channel and another update. I have started on the 29 Roadster. I might also add welcome to my messy bench. Saturday morning, I've gotten a pretty good start on this. I think I actually started on it yesterday. Just getting some painting done. Some engine parts, although some of those parts, I don't think I'm going to do the blown engine, but I've got them painted up maybe for another project. Here's the chassis and some engine parts, the block, the transmission, the floor pan, all sorts of good stuff going on this morning, guys. What I'm going to do, and I will see how it turns out, but right now it looks like a pretty decent paint job, but I've got a black primer underneath this, and I also have the rusty red primer underneath this, and I'm gonna let this dry for a bit, and then I may actually even put another coat of the color on there. And this color is the Tamiya. It's actually, let me see if I can show this to you guys. Let's see, it's AS25. It's actually a military color. Dark ghost gray, which is kind of a blue-gray color. I kind of like that. And I think what I'll do is I'll use some fine sandpaper, and I'm going to sand off some areas of this and give it a patinaed look. So we'll see how this turns out. But I just wanted to get on here and give you guys a quick update as to what was going on. I'm not really sure. I don't know if any of you guys are having the same issue, but granted, I did take a bit of a hiatus, but before I took this last one, I'd post a video and get like over 100 views on most of the videos I posted. But since I've been back and doing videos, I'm getting 40, 50, maybe 80 views. So I don't know, must be the algorithm or something. But let me know if you guys have noticed any of that. I suppose some of you that post very regularly, it's probably not been a big deal, and maybe what I need to learn from that is I just need to post more often. But anyway, guys, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you all get some bench time, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.